Hey guys. So early bird gets the worm. That's what they tell you anyway, right? The little spiker. He come through right away this morning, but it was a little too early. It wasn't quite shooting light. And so I was waiting and waiting and waiting, and I could hear him behind me, and he wouldn't come in. And then, finally I did a little grunt. Maybe persuade him to come back over. Yep, he was very interested. So, man, this is great. Now the hard part.